Hi! This is Guy.
This is Kareem.
And this is Yogi.
We created YOGi to introduce kids and families to the wonderful world of yoga in a joyful and creative way. Here's how it works. In every box of YOGi there are 40 cards. 20 cards illustrate various yoga poses like dog, cat and snake. And 20 describe the poses in simple, fun rhyme.
In addition, there is a wonderful leaflet with 4 games and a birthday activity.
Meow.
YOGi is great for kids of different ages. Kids can play many different games like Memo Yogi, Yogi Tag, or even invent their own game.
What we love about Yogi is that there are countless ways to play.
Plant your 2 feet firmly on the ground. Lift one leg and tree. Meow.
We created Yogi in order to connect kids to themselves, their friends, family, and nature in a joyful and special way.
Close your eyes and imagine a wondrous world where sounds like soft petals gently unfurl.